Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAM. This is the last lesson of this course, and the topic is the additional system functions. There is one detail that I consider important, and this detail is the possibility to use variables also under this CAM environment. And this is very easy to show, and it comes on the sequence of the variables topic that we've seen for the CAD side. So imagine that I'm recalculating this toolpath, and for example, in something like working feed rate, instead of giving a value, I can say A, and when I say hey, I can insert this value as a variable with all the functionalities that we have connected to this parameterization and the use of variables. This is a very important topic because we can connect a lot of things to these variables, and we will publish new videos having in consideration only the work with variables and very focused in parameterization. But have in mind that one of the strong syntheses of T-Flex is the parameterization. So everything inside can be connected to variables and parameters, and that is the global idea. So it was a very brief topic, and being this the last lesson of this training course, I would like first to thank you to the ones among you, the ones that watch our videos and follow our channel. I hope you can see our theoretical course, or that you can at least contact us for questions and for informations. And I truly hope that these videos, knowing that they are not perfect, that at least they help you clarifying some topics on the CAM side, and that these videos, I hope that may help you to develop your skills working with the CAM side of T-Flex. So thank you very much for being with us for all of these videos. Continue connected with us, because we will publish new things now, I hope, on the new 16 version that is going to be released very shortly from now. Thank you.